Welcome to my YouTube channel. Kindly like and subscribe if this is the first time you're seeing my videos. Hi guys, welcome to the next video of Linux command line for beginners series, and today we are going to learn about the find command. The find command in Linux is used to search for files and directory in a specified location based on various criteria. It is a powerful tool that allows users to locate files based on name, size, type, modification, date, and more. For us to use the command, we use the syntax find, the paths, options, and the expression. To find a file name, you can use the command find /home/kali/desktop, then hyphen name script.sh. Once I hit enter, this will search for the script.sh in the /home/kali and /desktop directory. To find file by type, we use the command find /home/kali/desktop -type f. Once I hit enter, it will display the files in our desktop directory. So let me increase my screen size so that you see it. So this is the file type. You can also use the find command to find directories. To search for directory, find /home/kali/desktop -type, then D for directory. So this command will show us what is inside our desktop directory. We can also find file by extension. So to find files by extension, we use find /home/kali, the paths and -name, then the extension I want to look for. So once I click enter, to show us all the txt extension in our desktop directory. So to find file owned by a specific user, we use the command find -user. The username for this is Kali. So once I hit enter, it will show me all the files owned by the Kali user. You can also find files by size. Files larger than 10 kilobytes. So for us to do it, let me first of all clear my terminal. -size 10 kilobytes. So this will search for all the files that is greater than 10 kilobytes. And once I hit enter, file.txt is greater than 10 kilobytes. Hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Bye.